It's Speed Burnout, and today we've got a Golf GTI Mark 7.
I should have read the disc.
That's beautiful, cuz. That's not quite as beautiful, to be honest. What the fuck even is that? I'm ill and I can still smell it. It smells really bad. Yeah, if you can see here, this is the intake. That is where the air goes into the turbo. You know, cuz I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know anything about cars. I can tell you that splitter doesn't do anything. It looks so stupid, cuz.
This is the problem with these cars, bro. That's looking like a Christmas tree. Yo, does he want to race?
Oh shit. Shit. Whoa. Yeah, you got gapped up, cuz.
How much power are you pushing?
Not enough.
He's right on our tail, boys. They're perfectly matched. Every time you go over 150, it breaks. What's that about?
No one's been going 150 on this channel, to be fair.
Yeah, we haven't gone that quick, but...
Nah, someone did at some point in this.
The engine itself sounds good, the exhaust sounds terrible.
You know what sounds better than that, cuz?
What?
Like MX5 or something. That would have been like probably a better choice.
It's a bundle of fun, it's a great daily. What more could you want from this?
Rear wheel drive. Something like that, or like more power.
We're going the speed limit. Woo! Never have been so excited to go the speed limit.
Or like better sound, or like more space. Better like daily driver experience.
We're trying not to shit on the car completely, bro. You usually buy this car if you're an NPC. You want to blend in with the traffic, not bring in too much attention to yourself. But as you can see, it's been modified to do quite the opposite.
What is this called?
That's a spoiler, bro.
Yeah, it spoiled the look of the car. What the fuck? What is this, bro? It's like a step if you're really small. It looks stupid. I don't think you buy this car with like class in mind. I think you're a bit of a dirty dude. Hello?
Yo, who's this?
Oh, yo, it's... are you about?
Depends.
Oh, you got any lemon?
I don't got that, I got dog, I got Thai.
Oh, I don't really like any of them, bro. Can I get some like lemon? Can I get some lemon? I'm at the Veggie Supreme shop.
Right, 5 minutes, bro. Yo, do you reckon this Evo wants to race?
It's like a shoe. like a really stupid shoe. It's like a clog. This is for like if you want to feel like you're going fast, but you're not actually going very fast in it. Like this is what you get your niece for her birthday when she turns 16 in it. The colour's shit as well. I'm just kidding, it's alright. It's just red in it.
Yo,
Hello?
who's this?
Yo, it's me, bro. You said you were 10 minutes, man.
Who's this, fam?
It's me, bro. Waiting for the lemon in it.
Alright, 2 minutes.
What? Didn't even know who I was. Well, it's a good car though. It is pretty quick.
It is a decent car.
It's pretty quick. I think I drove it on track.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, it sounds really bad. It's constantly losing traction because it's front wheel drive and it's not even very, and it's a really bad gearbox as well. It's really slow. I pressed the paddle, the shift. Bro, I could take a shit in that time. The good thing about it is it's not going to kill you. If you're driving like an M140i or something like that, I can guarantee at some point in your life you're going to die. And with this, at least it won't be in the car.
So irrelevant to the car.
Yeah, because it's so slow.
Anyone can drive this quick. Yeah. But that's why people end up crashing them, because it gives them overconfidence.
Might have oversteered that one a bit.
But for me, the experience that a manual car gives you, you just cannot beat it.
You can't beat it.
You cannot beat it. This car, a kid can sit in it and drive it quick. And it takes away from the excitement.
Why does it sound like that? Brother, why does it sound like that, man? Is this for like taking your kids to school and wanting other kids to laugh at your kids? You want your kids to be made fun of because your car sounds like a poop. You want them to be called the poop kid. I wouldn't want that. Wait here.
That wasn't too bad.
No,
There was no overly aggressive pops and bangs.
No, that wasn't the car cause that was, I just put the mic by my ass and did a really loud fart.
Yo, why are you so long, man?
I'm here now, innit?
Yeah. It's lemon, innit?
Nah, stop, bro.
Alright. Yo, I'm really sorry, man. I think you gave me like 3 grams, so I give you like 100 quid.
It's from Cali, bro.
What?
It's from Cali.
It's not though, is it? It's not Cali though. It's not a thing. Dickhead, man.
Yo, what?
What?
What'd you just say, fam?
What?
I didn't say nothing.
What?
I didn't say nothing.
You're giving my food back, fam.